slapper.
You should say something. That's the knee slapper.
You didn't do it. You didn't do it right.
I didn't do it right.
Christian, that's how I asked about when I did that. Okay, now you do it again.
No.
Christian.
You record that?
Christian, just do it.
Edit it. You're gonna cut your part off. And
No, I'm not. Christian, do it.
No, last time.
Christian, what last time?
I'm gonna do this.
You don't do it. You mess up. You don't point like that.
Well, I can do it different every time I do it.
No, Christian, just do it how you first did it in the first place.
I forgot how I did it the first time. It doesn't know Hollywood or anything. I'm not gonna win anything.
Okay, come on, do it.
That's the knee slap earlier.
Oh my goodness. That is
Your face on the knee slapper.